This demo is going to go through the project timeline estimator, and this is a tool used to estimate procurement timelines as well as project timelines based on the size of the project. So the first field is an estimated cost of the project. And if you want to add some development days before market research could come in, if you select the box that says IT project, it'll add in time for FATAR review, so we can add time for market research, or if you need days to implement, say 30 days to implement it. If it was limited sources, in the calculation you can exclude weekends and holidays, and you can calculate based on the start date or the need date. So you select the date when you want to start the project, and then you just hit estimate procurement schedule. So this is estimated to start on October 22nd. Size of the procurement being above a micro purchase, under the simplified acquisition, so it would be a SACO. So this PALT would be 75 days. Total project days would be 161, and non-working holidays would be 109. So it calculates all the milestones for the project. So development time, market research, FATAR completion time, December, goes for all the acquisition planning proposals and the whole PALT. And then finally it adds the implementation time. So this would be done by April 2023. Now if I exclude holidays, you can see the total project days jumps up to 235. With 74 non-work days excluded from the timeline. So instead of being April 1st, it's now June 14th. Now, if you do it by the need date, let's say we need it by October 22nd. And let's do it without excluding the holidays. So minimum start date of the project would have to be started by May 14th, giving all the other variables. Now, if we were under, let's say, let's start it on 2022. Let's say if we needed it like next week, or let's say we need it by November, and we try to estimate it, it gives you not temporarily possible, and then we need to get back to June 2nd, 2022 in order to meet that requirement. So it also calculates larger projects, of course. So let's say if we wanted to bump this down to like $5,000, get rid of all these different dates, we'd still need, this would be a micro purchase. PALT would be 25 days. Total project days would be 55 because it still has to go through IT. If we shrink that down, if it's not an IT project, total work days would be 19. Total project days drops down to 25. So we start date. Let's go for a project like, let's do a $15 million project. This would be a competitive proposal over $10 million. We would need at least 360 days. It's an IT project, market research, exclude the holidays. We need at least 573 days for this side of the project. That's it.